Welcome back, guys. It's been a very long time since we have reviewed something, but I'm back and we have two shirts today. So we have a Supreme shirt and an off-white shirt. And I think we start with the Supreme shirt. So the Supreme shirt was from, I think 2 weeks ago it was in the shop. No, a week ago. No, 2 weeks ago, I was right. And so I think you can still buy it. It's not sold out yet, but I'm not sure. And the price was $68, and with shipping it was 78, so $10 for shipping. And one thing I really like about this shirt is that it says Supreme right here, and I think that's really cool because with all the other shirts it goes like across like this. But this looks very cool. And it has very cool colors. White and black always goes well with every color basically. And quality wise, it's really, really nice. Like I said in my last video, I always thought Supreme was pretty bad with quality wise, but it feels very good when you wear it. And if it's worth it to buy a Supreme, I would definitely say yes, because it's very cheap in the shop when it comes out. It gets expensive after it's sold out. And if you can get your hands on a shirt that you really like and it's not sold out yet, I would say go ahead and get it, because if you're too late, then it might be $40, $50 more. And that's really annoying about Supreme. Before I forget, guys, there's a chest pocket in the shirt, and all the stitches on the shirt are black. So as you can see down here at the bottom, it's black stitching. And the chest pocket, it's black stitching. On the sleeve, it's black stitching, and up here, it's black stitching. So everywhere there's black stitching. And one thing I do see about the stitching though, that there's a lot of little like threads coming out of it already, but you can always cut that off, so it's not really that big of a deal. The thickness of the cotton, it's very thick, so it's a very warm t-shirt, but it's not like really, really hot, it's just hot. So I wouldn't wear it on like a really hot summer day, but otherwise you can always wear it. And so now I'll change into it and then you'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, here I'm wearing it. And I'm wearing some gray sweatpants. Maybe not the best, but it looks okay. And like I said, comfortability wise, it looks pretty cool. I mean, it feels pretty good. And so shoes, actually thought of wearing these Yeezys to this shirt because I think it looks very cool, white and black, and it just fits nice together. And yeah, that was it with this shirt, and I'll see you get on to the off-white shirt, and I'll see you there. So guys, here's the shirt. Before we get to the shirt, I wanted to show you the bag. So I ordered it about a week ago. I left it in the bag for like 4 days or something. And then I wore it yesterday once. And yeah, I think the bag looks really cool. And it's a zip bag. So there was a thing that would go on here and then you could zip it up. But I lost it somewhere. And so this is the shirt. So as you can see, I still have the tags on it with the price and stuff. And the price for the shirt was $187 instead of $250. It was on sale right now, and that's why I actually got it. And it's the off-white X Simon Brown shirt. So it's a collaboration with an artist, I think that's what he is. And so when I actually ordered it, I didn't know that it had crystals on the back. So that kind of surprised me, because you don't see it at all online, but I'm not too annoyed by it because I think it looks pretty cool. And the back is really what got me to buy this shirt because it just looks so cool. I mean, I've never really seen a shirt like this. The signature of white X is on it, and on the side it's the Virgil Abloh, his name is on it. So let me show you that. Right here. So he's the guy who does all the stuff for Off-White and sometimes for Louis V. And in the front it says figures of speech. So don't really know what that means, but I think it looks really cool how it goes from the blue to the full red. And the tags, there's 2 tags on it that really matter. So these 2, these are like like on the shoes, the tags, and this is just for some info how to wash it and stuff, and the prices on it. And so do watch out though, this is made of plastic, this thing right here, so if you do break it, you can't, it's gonna look a little bit awkward with just a string on it. And yeah, so for the crystals, I was a little bit worried that they would fall off when you wear it or rub it on like a chair, but so far they haven't fallen off since I'm wearing it yesterday, but maybe they will. Not sure, but I hope so they don't. And quality wise, it's okay. It's not too bad, but it's not very good. I mean, $250 for the shirt is not really a good price. But for the looks, I think it's okay. But don't buy Off-White because it might feel good. If you just like the design of the shirt, sometimes get it. But I wouldn't spend $500 on the sweaters because I don't think they're gonna feel very good. But a shirt here and there and maybe a shoes, nice from Off-White. So if I had the choice between Supreme and Off-White, I know they're completely different, but Supreme, I think it's definitely more comfortable than Off-White. But one thing with Supreme is that it gets sold out so quickly. So sometimes, Off-White is better, but Off-White is more for the flex instead of, comfortability, because Supreme their prices are pretty cheap when they come out with the shirts and stuff. And Off-White is always expensive. I mean, some of their shoes are like $5,000, so it's pretty crazy. And yeah, I mean, if you, like I said, some shirts are a lot better because, I really like the back of this shirt. And, if I would choose this design over this design, but the price-wise, it's a lot worse than the Supreme. So before I wear the shirt, I'll show you how it looks. The tag, so it's sewed onto the shirt right here, and it's a really long string that goes to the bottom, to there, and I'll get it out. So it's pretty long. Go. Coming out. There you go. So this is what it's connected to, and it's basically the signature of White. So almost every shirt has something like this, or shoe, but not all of them. And I think it's a cool feature. It looks pretty cool how it hangs out at the bottom. And yeah, I'd say I'll start wearing it now, and then you can see for yourself how it looks. So guys, I got the scissors real quick because I want to cut it off so you can see what it actually looks like. And I believe after you cut this off, you can't return it anymore. But yeah. So, here we go. So here's what it actually looks like. And I do believe this actually goes in the back because it goes over my shoulder right here, and I think it's supposed to be hanging down my back, but I'm not sure. I think it looks cooler in the front, and um, so here's the back of the shirt. I think it looks very cool. It's really cool in the sun when the sunlight goes on the crystals and it shines. And the tag, I would be careful with it because, like I said, it's plastic, and this part right here probably can't see it, but there's a part where it's very iffy. So guys, that was it with the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below, and hope to see you next time. Your Fashion Boy.